What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing some rock lights on my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Before this video goes any further, I want to give a huge shout out to my friends at Mictuning for sending me these rock lights to install on my Jeep. I will leave a link to their Instagram in the description box below, so make sure you guys check them out. If you guys need any rock lights, light bars, or any kind of lighting for your vehicle, make sure you check out their Instagram to see what they have in store. If you guys have any questions, just DM them and they respond super quickly. Like I said, they'll answer any questions you have, and they're just super helpful and friendly, so make sure you guys check them out. Okay, so before we install these, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and show you guys what comes in the box. These are 4 different pods, so I'm going to put one under each wheel well and kind of see how that looks, but let's see what comes in the box. Alright, so the first thing you see when you open it is the instruction manual, and it's nice and colored. So that's that. The next thing that comes in the box look like some kind of brackets for the lights. Alright, so now that I got everything out of the box, this looks like it's the control panel, or what receives the signal from the smartphone app. And here are the pods. This is what they look like. They're actually pretty heavy. This part looks like it's metal. These are also waterproof, guys, so you don't have to worry about them getting damaged if you drive in the rain or anything like that. But yeah, like I said, there's 4 different pods. I'm going to put one under each wheel well and see how that looks. Also, at the end of the video, I will show you guys what it looks like at night, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Alright, boys, so we started installing these lights. I have my dad helping me out because I know I need a haircut, but I'm not trying to get one because of my Jeep battery. So, got my pops, got these Jeep lights going. So here's what is going to eventually happen. So inside the Jeep, you get these 4 aux buttons right there, and I initially thought that you hook up the wires to that, but you don't, because you connect this hub that comes with the lights directly to the battery, and then you control the lights with your phone, so there is no or you don't use those buttons inside the Jeep. They do have a pretty cool app. I'm going to show you guys how that works as well once we have the lights installed. Also, stay tuned for tonight so I can show you guys how these look. Now we're drilling in here.
Ready?
Alright, first hole is in. Kind of hurts seeing the Jeep get drilled like that, but we got to do it for the lights. Alright, so now that we have the first hole drilled in the wheel well right there, we're going to feed the cable for the first light to the battery source. Alright, so a quick update. We installed the first hub. Let me show you guys what that looks like on this side. So if we go under this wheel well here, there it is. Now we're just working on getting the electricity from the battery to the hub so that I can control it from my phone and show you guys what it looks like. And it's actually getting kind of dark, so we're going to be able to try it here at my shop, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright, so it got dark quick. We have to switch over to these headlamps. Check out what we're doing right now. We'll go under the car. Okay, so we placed the main control hub right up there, zip tied it to the frame of the car, and here we go.
So we're gonna put this over this and melt it in place.
Alright, boys, so just a status update. It's late. I'm eating a honey bun, and we are working on the last wheel right here. But check it out. This one's in. That was the passenger. Rear passenger, good to go. Rear driver, which was the first one we put in, good to go. So all that's left is the driver up front wheel area, and we should be good to go. So another few more minutes here, and we should have that one hooked up, and I will show you guys what it looks like. It's super dark out now. It took us around 3-ish hours But you definitely need 2 people. It makes things go a lot easier. We're fishing like wires through and handing them off to each other and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend having at least 2 people work on this. But I think it's gonna look pretty sweet. All right, you guys, I don't know if you could see me, it's pretty dark out here, but we just finished installing the lights and I think they look amazing. Check out what they look like. Whoa. All right, so I have the app open as well, and look at this. You can change the color to whatever you want. Also, you can strobe it. You can pick solid colors, red, green. And look how mean this looks. The LEDs up front. I think purple looks sick too. This color. But I know there's different settings you can mess with the app as well. I'm gonna go ahead and mess with a few and see what I can do with this. But again, I just want to give a huge shout out to Mictuning. Thank you guys for believing in the channel and sending me a product to review for you guys. And yeah, guys, check them out. I'll have a link in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video.